Every day, Leo starts the day by checking his mail. You know, Facebook, Instagram, Tumblr. He checked his Google email account as well and found he had been accepted to a camp at Texas A&M in College Station. He wondered how far away that was, so he looked it up. College Station from Orange, Texas. That's 178 miles. It was about this time that I showed up to visit with him. He told me how he was wondering how long it would take him to run the 178 miles. I told him, well, first you have to know how fast you can run. I see you have on your favorite blue watch. We can use that to get a base time. When the long hand reaches 10, I will yell go. It will be 150. Let's start here at your favorite tree. Run to that tree over there. We already know the measurement from when we measured your big brother's speed. It is 20 meters. Are you ready? Get set, go! Okay, when you ended, it was 2:14. So how many minutes went by? Oh, come on, you have to learn this time once and for all. Every number you see on your watch represents 5 minutes. So look, 5, 10, 15, 20, and 4 more equal 24 minutes. So why do you look still so confused? Leo answered, knowing I can run 20 meters in 24 minutes does not tell me how long it's going to take me to run 178 miles. Well, I answered, maybe not, but it is a start. We can set up a proportion like Miss Ellis in our math classes taught us. Now why do you have that look? Let me guess. You did not understand, you never ask questions, or God help. Leo, you really need to understand proportions or you will not pass. I know, he said. Can you help me? Yes, watch. You want to know how fast in an hour or how fast you can run in an hour or 60 minutes. So first you have to label. Second, fill in the numbers you know. Third, place a variable, any letter you want, where the unknown is. Then use cross products, also known as cross multiplication, to create an equation. So 20 times 60 goes on the left, and 24 times x goes on the right. When we multiply 20 times 60, we can ignore the zeros for now and just look at the 2 and the 6. That is easy. We know it is 12. There are 2 zeros we ignored, so now we have to put them back. We'll put them behind the 12 to get 1,200. On the other side, we have 24 times x. We only want to know what 1x equals, so we do the inverse. The inverse is the opposite operation. So since x is being multiplied by 24, we divide by 24. Remember, whatever we do to one side, we do to the other. Now on the left, we have 1,200 divided by 24. When we work this out, it is 50. Now we know x is 50, and since x lines up with the meters, we know you can run 50 meters in 60 minutes or 1 hour. Do you need me to go over it again? You look lost. Leo responded, no, it is not that. Okay, I run 50 meters in 1 hour. The distance I need to go is 178 miles, not meters. Now what do I do? Wait a minute. Proportions. If we look on our formula chart, it tells us there are 1,609 and 3/4 meters in 1 mile. So wait a minute. Do I put the 50 on top or on the bottom of the next ratio? I responded, Leo, you forgot a step. Do you know what you were missing? Oh yeah, he said. I forgot to label. Well, that makes it easy. The 50 represents meters, so I will put it next to the 1,609 and 3/4. Now I place the variable and use the cross products to create the equation. Now I use Tybo, top in, bottom out, so I put the top number inside the division house and the bottom number outside of it and divide. Okay, I now get. Oh, yeah, I have to move my decimals over 2 places on each side. But 160,934 is too big to go into 5,000. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot to add more zeros after the decimal place. Okay. So since I only want 2 decimal places, I work it to the third or thousandths place. Since this number is 4 or smaller on the final answer, the 3 stays at 3 and I drop off the 1. So now I know x equals 3/100 miles. I also know I can run 50 meters in 1 hour, which means I can run 3/100 of a mile in an hour. Yay, I know what to do next, another proportion. Let's see if I remember the steps. First, I label. Second, I fill in the numbers I know. Third, place the variable on the unknown. Fourth, I use cross products to create an equation, and I solve it. So, when I set it up, give me just a sec. Wait a minute, I've set it up, and I've come out to where I have y equals 178 divided by 3/100. I've moved my decimals over. Okay, now I worked it out to 5,933 and 33/100. Okay, Leo. Wait a minute, let me finish this. One last proportion. 5,933 minutes and 33/100 hours. I need to convert to days. Now I know I can do it. First I label, second fill in. Third I place the variable, 4 use the cross products to create an equation, and I solve. So, set it up, days, 1, hours, 24. I don't know my days, so I'm going to put a D. My hours are 5,933.3. I work it out, work the inverse. Okay, that comes out to 247 and 2/10 days. I guess that wasn't my last proportion after all. I'm going to need one more. Leo, wait. Okay, so I'm setting up days to months. 30 days in 1 month will come out, let's see, that's 247 and 2/10 days, how many months I need. So I'm going to put an M. Okay, I work it out. I find out I have little over 8 months. Over 8 months? I can't run that long. Leo, what? Your mom has a car. She can get you there in a little over 3 hours. Oh, yeah. The end.